Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Hisense portable air conditioner not cooling, full troubleshooting and repair guide. Fix 1 is check the cooling mode. Turn on the air conditioner, then press the mode button until cool mode is selected. Then set the temperature at least 3 to 5 degrees centigrade. Lower the room temperature. Then wait 10 to 15 minutes to see if the room start cooling. Second one is clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the unit, then remove the air filter from the back of the unit. Then wash it with warm water and mild soap. Then let it dry completely. Reinstall the filter and restart the air conditioner. Third one is check the exhaust hose. Make sure the exhaust hose is securely connected. Then straighten the any bends or kinks in the hose. Then ensure the hose is not blocked. Verify the window kit is sealed properly to prevent warm air from entering. Fourth one is reset the air conditioner. Turn off the unit, unplug it from the power outlet, then wait 5 minutes. Plug it back in, then turn it on and select cool mode. Fifth one is check the fan speed. Press the fan speed button, then select high for maximum cooling. Then let the unit run for several minutes. Thanks for watching.